Today's episode is brought to you once again by Jisulife. You see, last year I was introduced to the world of cooling neck fans by this brand, and I'm pleased to announce that they have sent me their latest model. And I don't know if it's because I'm getting older or I'm a dad or what, but these days I get good excitement over a new neck fan. This is the Jisulife Pro 1 neck fan. This features twin turbo brushless motors to provide different speeds of air to cool you down. You see, you use the little wheel here to turn it up from 1 to 100 and keep yourself cooled off. The battery life has been upgraded too with this model. We got a 5,000 milliamp rechargeable battery that can give you up to 17 hours of use. We also have this really nice breathable neck brace design to allow 360-degree airflow to reduce skin pressure and a zero gravity wearing experience, meaning it doesn't feel heavy on your neck and shoulders. On top of that, it's also got a kind of hinge that opens as needed to customize the fit for you. I can also tell you it's comfortable to wear in almost any scenario, and I can tell you from using it for like the past week, it works extremely well. I'm telling you guys, take this tip from me. Get your dads a neck fan for Father's Day. The first time they use it, they will thank you. I promise you that. And if you do want to take my advice and check this out, I actually have a link and coupon code for you to use to get 20% off. So head over there and check this out. Now though, on to today's episode. Today we have something a little fun, a little different. Today we're looking at a paste that's designed for kids, a kid-friendly paste from the folks at Rocky Mountain Barber. And what this is, according to the brand, is a water and beeswax-based paste that is specifically formulated with kids' hair in mind. They say it offers a medium hold that's reworkable and easy to style with. They also say it features no artificial fragrances and instead relies on a nice blend of orange oil and key lime oil as the scent. They also report that it's very easy to wash out and good for a wide variety of styles and hair types. Price-wise, we are looking at $14.99 for 4 ounces. Now, to help me showcase this one today, since it is a children's product after all, I am enlisting the help of my son Finley, who just had a birthday the other day. I have no idea how he turned 7, but you know, here we are. I'm going to use this one on him, and first you can see the product up close as we do it. It's very pasty, very creamy, it's easy to use, it's not anything daunting for someone like him to use, meaning it's not going to scare him off or weird him out or anything like that. It's just a cream basically, and applying it to his hair, which is mostly dry with some towel dried pieces in there. I can tell it's very grippy on the dry pieces. I think for a kid like this, I would recommend towel dried hair, as they tend to get annoyed when something has some tug and pull, but on towel dried hair, it was like butter getting this through. And really, I can tell this is a fast styler as I do this. It's got great hold, it's creamy, and what it's setting up here is a fast styling scenario, which is ideal for a child. You need to be quick when styling their hair. They lose interest in like 2 minutes and want to be done. So you need to get the product in, style, and get out of there with a good result, and that's exactly what we have here. Now, as far as washout goes with this one, it was cake. I mean, I rinsed his hair at bath time and I felt the product come right out of his hair with just water. It was super easy, no complaints there. Speaking of washing out too, though, they also have a kids shampoo. This works really well. It's a gentle cleansing shampoo designed for ages 3 and up. It smells great, it cleans really well, it's kid friendly, and I just wanted to put a spotlight on this real quick because I think they did a great job with it. As far as my opinion on the paste goes, or I guess I should say our opinion on the paste goes, I think this is a slam dunk for a kid's product. I first off love how creamy it is. This is a big plus for getting quick application and easy combing. I also like the hold level. I'd actually place it on the stronger end of medium for Finn's hair, which works really well. It keeps it in place and it manipulates the hair easily and effectively. I also think the rinse out feature was a must-have for a product like this, a kid's product. I mean, adults typically don't like products sticking around. Well, I mean, typically there's of course exceptions to that, but usually we don't. So I think we can count on kids liking it even less. So I think that worked out really well. Finally, the fragrance. The fragrance was so good on this. The citrus and lime, it's so nice. It's not too strong, but it's just, it's strong and present enough to be really attractive to the nose. We both actually thought it was great. And for kids, that can really be a thing too. If they think something smells bad, they're not going to cooperate with it. And so I think in the end, this was overall a really cool and fun product to try. It's clear to me that they really thought it through, designed it well, and I'm very pleased with what they presented here. If you'd like to check out this paste and cleanser from Rocky Mountain Barber for yourself. A link will be in the description down below. That, though, is pretty much all I got for today. Thanks for checking this out with me. Make sure you do the big 3 for me: like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, take it easy. I'll see you next time.